How to enable or disable hill descent control on MG MS6. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's find the car icon located at the bottom of the screen. And let's choose here the first section, which is the driving control. Now you need to scroll down here to find hill descent control, so HDC. So this system helps you drive down steep, slippery or uneven hills safely. When activated, the car automatically manages the brakes and speed, allowing you to focus on steering while the vehicle maintains a slow, controlled descent without you need to press the brake pedal yourself. I think it's quite useful. If you are on such hill, you just need to enable this feature, and if you would like to disable it, let's just use the same switcher as well. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.